I'm Tony Sklar with bnetTV. We're here at the NFC World Congress in Nice, France, in the French Riviera, a fantastic place to be. I am speaking with Trusted Logic's Julien Groslambert. How are you today, sir?
Very good, thank you.
Fantastic. Listen, for our first-time viewers, why don't you give us a brief overview of Trusted Logic and what you're doing here at the NFC conference?
Yes, so at Trusted Logic we have a complete offer for NFC services. So from the software and firmware in NFC device, and we also provide NFC with the SIM cards.
So
we have quite a unique offer involving from the software to the SIM card.
So you kind of pull all ends of the ecosystem together, is that correct? You're allowing the SIM card infrastructure to work within the NFC world, as well as providing a software platform for people who are in the marketplace to make their NFC technology come to fruition?
Yes, typically what we offer is NFC stack software, which is embedded in the device, and which is a link between the hardware, so the NFC controller, and the applicative level.
What are some of the challenges that that Trusted Logic has seen in the last 2 years, and how is that going to help you going forward?
So one of the key challenges, in fact, is that this piece of software has to interact with a lot of elements in the device. Typically, we have the operating system, but also the hardware, the baseband of the phone, and also we have to provide the API for the developers. So we have to make all that together working. We also have for the card emulation mode, we have to have interaction with the SIM card. So we have to put all these elements together, which can come from different sources.
And with all of the new products that continually come to market, you consistently have to change that software platform?
Sorry?
With all of the new developments within the mobile ecosystem, you continuously have to update the software platform to allow different devices to work with new technologies, which can be challenging at best. So what happens for your company when NFC sees that upward momentum at a critical mass?
So the software has been developed in a modular way, such that we have abstraction layer for the hardware, for the operating system. So we have developed, the software is developed in a modular way such that it helps for the porting of the stack on different operating system and on different hardware, and also for the integration on different devices.
And Julien, what are you doing here at the NFC World Congress? What type of interaction is going on here that your company is involved in?
So we are here so first to present our offers to the different NFC controller in the NFC controller vendor in the market, and also for we propose integration. We propose a help for the integration of secure element access control of the NFC stack to make it enable in NFC devices.
Julien, do you think that there have been some inherent problems with bringing NFC technology to market at a very fast pace? Why hasn't the adoption of the technology taken off as fast as maybe others would like it to have?
I think that NFC involves it involves a complete ecosystem. So you need NFC phone, you need also NFC tags, and so you have to change a lot of things to have the complete ecosystem. So it's I think NFC is a disruptive innovation. So the change is big to be done at one time. So I think that's why it was not so quick to change it, but I think that the NFC revolution is for now.
I guess that was going to be my final question, Julien, is when do you think that we're going to see that larger set of adoption?
I think that for this year, it's really it's really possible that NFC, because we have the first mobile handset on the market. There is, for a trusted logic point of view, we have a lot of people asking us for expertise in NFC. We are working with a lot of people of the ecosystem, so we have the real feeling that it's now.
Julien, thanks very much for taking the opportunity to speak with us here today at the NFC World Congress. I hope we had a chance for an update again in the future.
No, you're welcome, and thank you for inviting me.
I've been speaking with Julien Groslambert from Trusted Logic. I am Tony Sklar with bnetTV.